Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So we are doing two proper OG throwback videos in a row. So I just did a craft haul, which you can see on the screen right now, and now I'm doing a charm update, well, a craft update, because it's not just charms anymore. I am feeling really inspired at the moment and I'm trying a bunch of new things. At the moment it's just like resin, but I've got so many ideas swirling around in my head, so I'm super excited about it. So I really hope you enjoy this. Do let me know what your favourite thing is down below, or if you've got any ideas for things that I should make, or you'd like to see me do tutorials on, whatever it is, let me know. So first, let's start with the cupcakes. So the first one on top is the cupcake I made in my recent, well, first ever craft with me video. It's this really cute like pink like lemonade kind of cupcake that I saw a picture of on Instagram. If you want to see that video, then you can see how I made this. You can click on the screen right now and I'll also leave a link in the description. Really happy with how that one came out. I'm really proud of it. So yeah, love that one. Then I've got a bunch of lemon and poppy seed cupcakes, which are some of my favourite designs I've ever made actually. I'm not sure if I've ever actually had them in the shop though. The last batch I did, actually let me find one. The last batch I did, I was so happy with them and they all cracked at the top here. I stupidly used like eye screws and obviously the air got in and they all cracked and I was just like so upset, and I don't think I've made them since this one. Also, I don't even think this has a face on it. No, the face is fallen off. But yeah, I made these and they're all perfect, so they're all going to be going on the website, which I'm so excited about. So they just look like this. They've got a little cane slice, poppy seeds in like the top of the cupcake, white icing, and then a lemon coloured base. I don't know what it is about this design. I just love the way they look. I just think they're super cute. So there is going to be 3 of those going up on the site, which I'm super excited about. I had like a really good roll of cupcakes, you know, when you're just like making cupcakes and none of them are coming out wonky, they're all like turning out perfect. So just had like a weekend where I wouldn't stop making cupcakes. I was like, no, I'm on a roll, I need to keep going. Okay, so next is one of my favorite designs ever, which is this strawberry chocolate strawberry design. So it just looks like this. So it is pink cupcake base, normal cupcake top, pink icing, strawberry canes cut up, and then chocolate drizzle. I love doing the chocolate drizzle on these things. I just think it is literally the most fun thing ever. So yeah, I am super excited about having these back on the shop. Everyone seems to really like these ones as well, and they're just like super cute and super tasty looking. There's one that's a tiny bit wonky, so we'll see how many of these actually go up, but yeah, I made those as well. Then I just made some plain pink ones, which I assume you guys have already seen a million times, so I'm not really going to go through those because they are obviously super standard. Also, I haven't finished these charms. These aren't glazed or anything. That is an old wonky cupcake. Okay, no, that was not meant to be in that box, but you know, well, she's there anyway. Yeah, so these aren't actually glazed. I haven't finished these up. I need to find the time, but it's been so hot in the UK that I haven't been able to like do anything. I was hoping to make some more things for the restock, but like I said, it's been so hot, literally physically haven't been able to do anything. So these are actually from like 2 weeks ago, but yeah, still super happy about them. And then there was just like some scrap clay that was left over from these charms that I'm about to show you. These didn't really come out that cute, but I might still put them up. They're kind of like marble cakes, but like the front of this one's kind of boring and the top of the icing just did not go to plan, but they're kind of cute, so I don't know what really I'm going to do with them, but yeah, I made those ones as well. And then I am working very slowly on a remake video, so these are part of it. Again, these aren't finished. I just wanted to get this, oh, you want to focus for me? I just wanted to get this video up and out because I just wanted to share this stuff with you guys, and God knows when these are actually going to get finished this week, so I just wanted to share stuff. So these are actually like Mario cake rolls. They're not perfect, and I'll talk about these more in that video, but this is what they look like. Again, they need to be finished with some paint, but yeah, those are in there. And then I made this little resin tray, which is I'm not really sure what we're doing with it right now, but I made that as well. But I'll show you more of the resin stuff that I've made right now. Right, so as you guys know, I've been getting back into resin. If you follow me on Instagram, you've been seeing a lot of like demoldings and stuff, which I love those videos. They're like my favourite videos ever. I love a bit of ASMR. And I have had this mould for ages, which is the well, I've had these molds for a while now, which are the cute little like Trinket molds, and one day something just like popped into my head. I had like an epiphany, and I am so happy with how it turned out. You know when you have an epiphany craft epiphany and you do it and it just doesn't look how you want, and it never will. This, however, has actually worked. Still not perfect, but I'm so happy with it. So introducing, I'm not really sure whether I'm going to call this like the strawberry shortcake or something. I'm not really sure. But introducing the cake trinket dish. I am so excited about this. So this is kind of like an inverted cake. So like this is obviously the sponge, and then you've got the icing, the sprinkles, and then this little bit in the middle is actually a ring holder. So the little strawberry can just be used like that as a little ring holder, and I just love it. The whipped cream looks so good. I'm just like really happy with how this turned out. I love the sprinkles, and I'm going to be doing more of these. Again, this is the only one that's finished right now, just because I did make 2 of these, but for some reason the one that I had made like got like colour on it. I don't know what it was from. I think it was from resin pigment or something. So I turned it into a ring, which begs the question, where is that actually? Because I can show that to you guys. But anyway, I will be making more of these and I'll show you in a second. But yeah, I am just so happy. So I'm going to be releasing like a whole series of cake bakery themed resin dishes and stuff. So yeah, I'm just so ecstatic about the fact that they came out. Also, I posted a picture of just this like component on Instagram and asked you guys to guess what it was going to be used for, and none of you guessed right. You all said like what it was going to be, like on top of a waffle or a cake or something, but I asked like what its use was going to be, and a few people got really close, but no one guessed ring holder. So I really love that. That was like a little giveaway that no one won, but I think I'm going to do like more of those, like show you things and be like, what's this going to be? But yeah, no one guessed it, but I absolutely love that. So yeah, as you can see here, I have gotten a bit carried away, so let me show you. So I made another one of the pink ones. These aren't perfect, but I'm really just sort of taking a breath and being like, look, even if they're not perfect, if they're photographed and you can see the imperfections and someone still wants them, then just do it. You know, I'm one of these people that just like gets rid of things and you think someone wouldn't even notice those flaws. So there's those ones, and then this one I'm super excited about. This one won't have any sprinkles, it'll just have the ring holder, but there's like a little chocolate one which I'm so excited about. So that's a little square one. And then in that same kind of vein, I made this funfetti ring dish or trinket dish, which I absolutely love. I think this is so cute. And I also made a little square doohickey one. Not really sure about these. They're kind of like an awkward thing because you can't really, once they're filled, you can't really see like what's in them that well. But yeah, I love these so much. I'm so happy with how it all turned out, so I'm just ecstatic about that. So let me guys know what you think about that, and if there's any other like cakes or anything that you want to see me like try and make into a resin dish or something. Then I was also just playing around with a bunch of sprinkles, so I have a bunch of really gorgeous like sprinkle shapes which I might turn into necklaces or I don't know, brooches. I'm just really just feeling super inspired. So there's this like little pendant. I'm not sure if you can see the sparkle. There we go. They're like super, well, not super sparkly, they're like really subtly sparkly. So there's that one, and then I also have one that's like a teardrop as well, which is really pretty. So those would just be like necklaces and stuff. What else do we have? I've got a few stars here as well that I made, which are super pretty. And then also just some random chocolate bars which have got some sprinkles in them, which might be earrings I thought would be super cute. So yeah, that's like the whole like cake bakery kind of situation. My rings are just sitting here. So yeah, I absolutely love these. I love these sprinkles so much, and I'm just feeling super happy and inspired by those. So the next thing that popped into my head as an idea, and I just had to do it, was like fruit salad kind of thing. So I just had this like lime green colour in my head with a bunch of fruit canes, and they came out great. These might change in the future if I make more of these though, because I was sort of thinking of the same vein as the sprinkles in here, but actually I'm not that keen on the way these look, because I made this where the fruit canes were actually in the resin, and I love the way it's like looks. I think it just looks a lot better, and it's super sparkly, this one. I'm not sure if it's going to focus for me. Doesn't really want to, but yeah, I love the way this looks, and I think these would have looked a lot cooler if they were like this, but so, you know, I might update the design. So yeah, I've got another one of these like little square ones, which I love. Oops, cupcake run away. And then there are these dishes which need like one more layer of resin, but they are basically just super sparkly. I couldn't get the colour quite how I wanted it, but it's not too far off, and they're a little bit too sparkly, but you know, these things are not things that matter. So yeah, these are just really cute. And then I also did a little square one, And again, these will get updated, but I absolutely love the way they look still. And then I also did some pendant versions of those, which again, these are one of these things where it's like there's a bubble right here. Is it on this one? No, there's a bubble up here on this one. And usually I would have been like, okay, well that's not sellable, it's super ugly, no one's going to want that, like throw it away. But like as long as that bubble is in the picture and someone still buys it, then it's not a problem. Like I've got like a wash of calm come over me recently where I'm just like, it's still super cute, it's just a bubble. Like if I bought something from my like favourite resin artists who I think are just like perfect, I'd definitely find, you can find faults in everything, it's handmade, that's the kind of part of it. So yeah, I'm feeling really good about that. I'm just going to be like, yeah. But yeah, these are really, really pretty little fruit cane necklaces. And I also did like a dog tag one, which I really love, which I think is super freaking cute. So there's those as well. And then last but not least, I did some more random resin stuff, which I'm super excited about because it's taken me back to like Deco and stuff. So I just made a bunch of these like outline shapes that I have a mold for. So there's like a heart, well, 2 hearts, and there's like a little teddy bear shape. There should be another heart somewhere, but I don't know where it's gone. But this is really cute. This kind of looks like, it's kind of hard to show you, but this kind of looks like strawberry jam to me. So it's red with like red glitter in it. Oh, it's really struggling to focus. You can't really see, but it looks like strawberry jam to me. So I love this one. And then there's just like a light pink one and a slightly darker pink sparkly one. But I made a bunch of these and I just, again, I was just feeling super inspired. So this happened and I love these. It does not want to focus. Come on. There we go. Look how pretty she is. So this is like the resin base that I just showed you, and then I decoed it with a bunch of rhinestones from Miniature Sweet that were gifted to me. I love it. And then that spurred me on to make this one, which is like a little white version. And I don't know whether I'm going to make these into like necklaces and to have like the jump rings through here, or I kind of have a use for this one, I think, which I'm going to show you. But I just think these are so gorgeous and I'm so happy with how they look. And then last but not least is a few other just random trinket dishes that just came out of spare resin. So there's this light pink small one, then this larger one, and I was actually thinking for this teddy bear of putting this in here, and it can like be a little divider for your rings and stuff, so I like that idea. I might do that. But yeah, so that's like a really pretty like light pink one. And then I also, which didn't work very well because it was like, because I'm like new to resin, I'm being very careful with it and it's taking me a while to do things, which means I end up with a lot of resin that starts to cure. So I made this really cute little like pencil pot, but it's actually like, it bowed or bow, I don't know how you'd say it. It's like in the mold, it bowed. You know what I'm trying to say, because the resin was like really thick and it was already starting to cure. Obviously if it was super thin, it would not have done that in the mold, but yeah, it's super pretty and I'm going to be using this one. But I do want to do like pencil holders and stuff. Again, I just worry that like you won't be able to see what's inside these. Sorry, it's really struggling to focus because it'll be in there and up, you know, so I'm not really sure, but I need to work on some designs. But yeah, this is super pretty, but I will be keeping this because it's obviously really not cute and it's really janky. But yeah, I really like this one and it's probably going to go in my bathroom, I think. So this is everything that I made. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Again, a lot of this stuff is like not quite finished yet, but I just wanted to share it with you guys because I'm super excited and I don't want to keep like piling stuff up and making massive charm updates that go on forever because I've already been rambling in this video. I just want to get them out really nice and quick for you guys, as short as possible, and lots of them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, let me know what you loved that is your favourite thing that I showed you and what I should make. If you have any ideas for like cakes or anything, or different variations, flavours, whatever, let me know in the comments down below. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!